Right now, a bug report and a sales inquiry are sitting in the same queue, looking completely identical. Your agents are reading every ticket just to figure out what it is. There is a 5-minute fix inside Zendesk that tags every ticket the moment it arrives, based on which form the customer used. Without form-based tagging, every ticket starts its life as an unknown. Agents manually scan subject lines and body text to classify each one before they can even start helping. At scale, this manual triage adds up to hours of lost productivity every single week. Form-based tagging flips the process. Tags appear automatically the moment a ticket is created, so agents immediately know the category, the right team, and the right priority. Routing happens instantly, reporting becomes accurate, and response times drop without adding headcount. Before you build the trigger, make sure you have 3 things: a Zendesk suite growth plan or higher, because the form condition is not available on team plan, admin access to the business rules section, and at least one custom ticket form already set up. The whole setup takes about 15 minutes. Log into your Zendesk admin center and navigate to objects and rules, then business rules, then triggers. This is where all your ticket automation lives. Click the Create Trigger button in the top right to get started. Give your trigger a name that describes exactly what it does. Something like tag, it, support requests, or auto tag, bug report form. When you have 50 triggers, a clear name tells you what it does without having to open it. Also add a short description for other admins. Add 2 conditions underneath all. First, ticket is created. This makes sure the trigger only fires on new tickets, not updates. Second, ticket form is, then select your specific form from the dropdown. Both conditions must be true before the trigger does anything. In the action section, click Add Action and select Ticket, then add tags. Type in your tag name, something like _support or bug_report. You can add multiple tags separated by spaces. Keep tags lowercase and use underscores instead of spaces so they stay consistent. Click Create Trigger to save and activate, then open a new browser tab, submit a test ticket through the form you just configured, and open that ticket in Zendesk. Check the tags field on the left side. If your tag appears, the trigger is working. If it does not, open the ticket's event log to see which condition failed. The same pattern works across every team. IT support tickets get tagged and routed to the IT group automatically. Bug reports go straight to engineering. Sales form submissions bypass the support queue entirely. And product feedback lands in a dedicated view for product managers, all without any manual sorting. A few rules that keep the system clean as you scale. Create 1 trigger per form. Never combine multiple forms into one trigger. Put your tagging triggers at the top of the list, so tags exist before routing triggers try to use them. Decide on a naming format for your tags on day 1, because tags are case sensitive and inconsistency breaks your filters. Here is the honest limitation of form-based tagging. Customers do not always use the right form. A billing question comes through the contact form. A technical issue lands on the sales inquiry form. Easel AI reads what the customer actually wrote and routes based on content and intent, not just which form they chose. It works alongside your existing triggers, not instead of them. If you want smarter ticket routing without rewriting dozens of triggers, try Eesel AI free for 7 days at eesel.ai. No credit card required, and you can run it in simulation mode first to see how it performs before going live.